There is a madman on social media that is obsessed with Marcia. You know, really and truly, have to do something about it. But there's a madman, you know. There is a madman on social media. Yes, me say me have a stalker on social media. Yes, me have a big stalker on social media. You was watching Meg with you and the other supporter. Okay. Me say there is a madman. A mental madman. Only if me don't know, I don't understand. How no call the State Department for put him in a war. Put him in there. Me say him need some pill. Good morning, it's a rainy day. Yes, my dear. There is a madman. We need to get some serious attention and in supporters them. As early as the morning is, the man over the name. In breakfast no good. Look for the cheap breakfast. Look for the cheap hotel where she in. Luckily you can't say nothing there. No, this need intervene, we call intervene or dig, and what you call it? What the word called? When you want something, no. What the family there? Where is the family? Somebody cannot go mad over other people's life. They need what we call intervene. Somebody cannot go mad over other people's life. That almost say that not normal. That not normal. A cheap place. Kaka ideas. Kaka ideas. Kaka, come make a song. Kaka I, make a song. Intervention. Intervention. So one can't help him. One couldn't even help him, give him 1 2 nights. The boy is so obsessed with me. The boy go to one hotel, go show the hotel, and say in the hotel. One day and come back in the darkness. Does that make sense? I want to and come back. That does not make sense. Look on the breakfast. I eat that breakfast. Eat that breakfast. You know, see the bill? $20 at $5. Cool. Need. No. You can't call one pastor to give him one exorcist for me there. One Catholic pastor. Huh? Okay. Me not go over YouTube. Huh? Cool. I must say, me ear. I'm going. I show me food and I show food. If you got high up, and the same thing you get. Fill your money. America breakfast. You can't even a cheap hotel, Gina. Cheap hotel. Where they cost $50, $60, $70, or $100, a lot of ass money that way you can't afford. You had that up times 30. Even if it's $100 a day, had that up times 30 and see what you get. Hold on. Let me just put it like this. Yeah, yeah. So even if the hotel is cheap and say the hotel costs $100, then a $6,000 that in 2 months, you know. $6,000 that 30 times, 60 times you get that. 6,000. You have $6,000? Huh? 60 times 100. 6,000. Don't talk about gas, food, and other things. And where me come from, I was paying $9.50. So check that. Check that for rent and check which part me there. And me just estimate that, you know. Me just estimate that. Because I him a check, I say a cheap hotel, so I just estimate that. Don't even talk about me know none of that. But just check. Why? A 6,000 at that in 2 months. Compare to $2,000. $4,000 extra from where I'm coming from. You can't talk to me. The boy all cuss me about my clothes. Say me repeat my clothes them. L to the motherfucking yes. It's mine. And yes, I wash them and I repeat them. And you don't have clothes like me. You have one suitcase with few pieces, not even 6 pieces of clothes good. And I have a whole storage fill that I can open a Macy's department stores with. Don't talk about shoes and bags and this and that and that. And and yes, for the winter, I'm gonna wash my little dress them. I'm going to wear them. I'm going to go to the store. I'm going to buy a new frock. And the blue frock where I show and new frock I'm gonna Marshall go buy. And if you're gonna see me 1 and 2 times with it, yes, I'm a house clothes. And when me finish, me I could show it back on. You want some of my breasts? And that you want? You see? Look, 50-year-old. You see the breasts them? Them still turn up in my clothes. Still turn up. 50 years old, 51 next month. Look here. You want some breasts? You're a woman. You want to be a woman. Me say, that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to wash them. I'm going to wear me same clothes them over and over. And see what you come take them off. Come take them off. I feel warm. That's why you're going back in the darkness. You can't show which part you live. The thing about it, you are catch. Me not catch. Me I pay my money. So the difference between you and you, the difference between me and you are catch a girl yard. And me I pay my money. You can't talk to me. You can't put me down. You are catch a girl yard. So how you come a chat? And now you put money. You not cook for me, you not feed me, you not pay no bills. You a catch a girl yard. Me not catch a girl yard. You go like you put food in my pot.